So this is what we're actually expecting for this week. First of all, let's look at dollar index. That is where we are going to be starting our analysis from. Then before we talk about the other pairs. Now, this is the XY. This is what I'm actually seeing. Don't forget, we have been bearish on the XY since the very time that we attained this level of inefficiency, and as well when we take out this liquidity to feed us this inefficiency, which I explained to you guys then. In case if you missed the session, you can rewatch the videos on my YouTube. So I actually explained there that we are going to be looking to be shorting the XY to the downside, right? And as well, the XY already started the delivery to the downside now. So if you look at the daily time frame, I'm on daily time frame here. Look at the daily time frame, what the XY is doing. The XY has been bearish, breaking this structural low to create a new lower low. And as well, the way the Friday candle actually closed as well, it's pretty nice. I love it as well. It's a very strong bearish candle. Now, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting that continuation of that sell, that continuation of the sell to continue at least to this level before any major buy, if there's going to be any major buy. But I'm still expecting that sell up to at least this level. Now, how are we going to scale in this sell? Looking at let's scale now to 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we already see that the XY has been delivering bearish lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And a lower high. They take out this liquidity. What they did here is to grab out this transactional liquidity, right, to mitigate this level of supply, right? So in which I'm expecting them to continue that short, right? So I'm expecting them for this coming week, I'm expecting them to take out this low, possibly pull back to at least this level, right? Then we can look to go short again to the downside. So at least we are targeting this level, at least to this level, at least. So that was what I'm actually expecting on the XY. So if that's so be, then our dollar pair, our dollar base currency like USD CAD, USD CHF, then definitely we should be looking to sell as well. Now, starting from the existing protocol on USD CAD, we look at the USD CAD. USD CAD is also very, very pretty nice. This is what I'm seeing on USD CAD, right? USD CAD, the overall direction, the 4 hours time frame direction, we are bearish. Even from the daily time frame, if you can see it, we have been bearish, forming a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, like that, lower low, right? A lower high. Then this was the high that created this low, right? So market already grab liquidity up to that level. And look at the way the daily also closed. It show a kind of for those of you using candlestick pattern, a kind of a bearish reversal candlestick there. That was what I'm seeing. Now scaling down to a lower time frame, let's look at the 1 hour time frame where we draw our conclusion from. From the 1 hour time frame, we already see what the market did here. They came here to grab out the structural liquidity, right? To grab out the structural liquidity to attain this level. So with that, we already see what the market has started doing. It's looking nice as well, forming a lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Market coming all the way up to grab this liquidity. Then I'm expecting them to form another lower low again, right? When the market opens. So if they should form another lower low, then here, this high will definitely be our liquidity level, right? So this high will definitely be our liquidity level. Now, if they should pull all the way back up to take out this level, then we'll be looking to go short around here. This is my first POI up to this level. Let me choose it up to this level as my last POI. So my stop loss is around as at this high anyway. So I'll be expecting a sell here around here. Why am I expecting here? Because here is an inefficiency price action, and as well here is an imbalance. So any of the two, I'll be looking to go short around here for my USD CAD, right? So I'm targeting at least 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio on that. That is what I'm expecting on this USD CAD as well. So Still moving on the existing protocol, USD Chef come next. USD Chef, if you look at what USD Chef has also been doing, let me open your eye to something. Now, look at USD Chef as well. We have been forming a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, continuation to the downside, right? So, excuse me. So if you look at here, where the market pull all the way to come and mitigate now is an inefficiency price area, right? In which we are actually expecting a sell from. Now, if you look at what USD can do, look at, I actually explained this thing to you guys then. If you have not watched the video, make sure you watch it. Inefficiency price action. Once you understand it, your problem is half solved. Now, look at it here. Look at what happened here. Load my chart. Now, look at what the market did. This price action here, right? This first candle push, then this is the second candle push. Now, there is no a strong mitigation of this level, right? There's no a strong mitigation of this low. Now, look at the market. The first time that they came to that level, they didn't mitigate it. We still have a little inefficiency around that area. So that is what the market pull all the way up to come and fill. You see, this is not a guesswork or maybe anything. Now that is what they came up to come and fill, that inefficiency. Now I'm expecting them to sell at least all the way to this next liquidity level, which is a previous weekly low, right? And as well a structural liquidity, sorry, an inducement liquidity there. So I'm expecting them to pull all the way up on 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame. This is what I'm expecting for them to do. If they should give me something like this, right, since we already break this low, give me something like this up to this level, right, I'm going to be looking to take my sell to the next liquidity zone. This is what I'm expecting on this USD chip as well. That is also my simple analysis on USD chip. Now, pounds chef as well. Pounds chef, it's looking pretty nice for a retracement, but I'm going to be looking on how to take a continuation buy on it, right? But someone can look for a sell. If you're looking for a sell, you can look for a sell around this area for a pullback to join the sale. Around this area, if they should pull back around this area, then someone can look for a sell around here to the downside. But me, I'm waiting patiently for the buy. This is the buy. This is what I see on the buy, right? Market has been bullish for so long, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher lows, right? Then they use here to grab liquidity to push to create a new higher high again, right? So here is my inducement liquidity area. Now, apart from that, if you look at this level here, this forward anyway, if you look at this level, this is a level of inefficiency, right? That is why I'm looking to take my buy around that area. So if they should grab this, if we should have something like this, all the way to this downside to grab out this inducement liquidity, tapping into this, feeling this level of inefficiency, then I'll be looking to take my buy around here to the upside. Since we are still bullish, we are still forming a higher highs, higher lows scenario. So I'm also bullish on it for now. That is what I'm also expecting on these GBP's chef trade as well. So I'm expecting that buy. I'm expecting the buy as well. So you see, this is where we mark out from that 4 hours just now. We took this buy then. I called it out on the inner cycle. So we took the buy, and as well, we're also expecting another buy here again, at least. So for those of you using trend line, right, this is a trend line touch area as well, based on the trend line strategy. It also have a confluence with it. So anyway, that is what I'm expecting there on pounds chip. So the next one on our list is Euro NZD. Euro NZD as well. I also analyze pounds NZD. It's not here. I'll try to bring it back later. So now if you look at Euro NZD rather, look at what the market has been doing based on the way we do trade. They're already attained this level, right? And as well, we already have that lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And based on the way I always trade, this is my strong high, and as well here is going to be definitely a liquidity level for me, structural liquidity. And now market already grab out that structural liquidity on 4 hours. So now let's scale down to lower time frame and see what the market is doing. And apart from that, look at why I'm so I've been bearish on it for now. Let's look at the daily candle. Look at the way it closed as well. So it's looking nice and pretty simple and look like something that will continue going down. So now let's look at the lower time frame, how we can scale in on our sell. If you look at the lower time frame, you can see we already have this level of order block and as well inefficiency price area. So I'm expecting the market to pull all the way up to this level. Then we'll be looking to take a sell from there, at least targeting the next inefficiency price area. At least targeting this area or more. So that is what I'm also expecting. Sorry, I didn't put pounds NZD here. Pounds NZD and Euro NZD, they have the same setup. Let me look at the pounds NZD for you guys. So this is for the pounds NZD as well. It's also the same setup. Look at it. See what the market has been doing. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high. This one is also very, very clear too. Lower high, right? Now, with the way I always trade, how I always mark my POI, I already explained before. They use here to sweep, right? Now, after using here to sweep, here is the liquidity that they grab to that level. It's very, very important. This high here, right? To this level, beneath my what? My supply area or that block area. So now the market already pushed up to that level, and we see the way the market has started delivery bearish to the downside, right? The market already started delivery bearish to the downside. So how are we going to enter? That is your next zone. That is your next idea on how you're going to enter. And another thing again, this is another thing I also do. We look to where are we coming from, and as well, where are we going to? Where is the next area of liquidity where you know the market can actually reverse from? This is the next area of liquidity. Definitely. So now, if here is the next area of liquidity, is there an inefficiency price action around that area? Yes, there's an inefficiency price action here. So there's a space between here and here, right? So this is an inefficiency price action area. So definitely, this is how most of you like don't know how the market is moving. If the market should approach this level now, right? Since we can have something like this from here and market continue going on. So, but before the market will approach this area of this liquidity area and also this inefficiency area, if the market should pull back to where we want to take our trade, then we can take our trade to that level. And put this at the back of your mind. If the market, for example, if the market should reach here first, since the market is looking like something that that is about to like reverse, right? If the market should approach this level first, if the market should approach this your area of liquidity and approach this your area of inefficiency, there's a higher possibility for the market to continue going up without respecting your level. But before that area, if the market should pull back to your level, it's going to be a 90% guarantee for you that you're going to have a trade from there. Now, let's look at where we are actually talking about without wasting much time. Whereas since we already approach this area, then we look for the same thing again, right? I told you guys how I illustrate a sweep of high, right? Then where is our next liquidity area? Obviously, it is here. Why is it a liquidity? I explained this before. right? These are our first push, right? And apart from the first push, we still have an inefficiency around that area. So everything here is going to be my point of interest area. So if I'm to take the trade aggressively, right, around here, then definitely my stop loss should be above this high, a protected high. Okay, so that is how it is. But the risk is much now. Then if you actually want, you can actually reduce your risk for or wait for a confirmation for you to take the trade. But definitely the market is going to be a sell. So we'll be expecting that sell from there at least.
What about gold?
Is it like I'm explaining something, you're asking about gold? What concerns me and gold? So here, after the market approach this area, then definitely we are targeting this low. So if the market should reach out to this low, then we're looking for any possible reversal around here. So this is how it is. Very pretty simple and clean setup. So Euro Chef also the same thing on the buy that I explained on Pound Chef. Euro Chef is also the same thing. We are targeting this area, at least to this area. They have not approached this area, so there's still an inefficiency. So since we are still bullish, if the market should pull all the way to this level, then we can still look for a buy. But it is not of higher probability for me, right? So that is for that. And GU, I'm expecting a buy, but I have not have any specific area yet where I actually wanted to take the buy from. That was why I have not explained it. So there is no any specific major area for me, but I'm actually expecting a buy, a buy, a buy, a buy. This is how I'm looking to play it. If they should pull up, right, maybe during the week, and they break this high for me, all right, definitely I'm taking my buy around here to the upside. This is the way I'm looking to play my GU. If they should take out this high, then I'll be looking for that pullback to this level. Then I'll be looking to take a buy. Then here will now be serving as a liquidity area for me to take a buy on GU. But before that, until they take out this high before anything. For gold, I didn't see anything yet. Gold has been very, very strong bullish, right? I didn't actually take this trade though. It was during my back testing that I actually see it was a very strong buy. Now look at for where gold approach now. We may likely have a retracement when the market open. This is it. See, market never lie. A sweep of this high to determine your level, a very strong level. Then I told you guys earlier, the first pullback will always be your structural liquidity. This is the first pullback here. This high. Now, immediately market will take out this high, you start looking for a price delivery, how the market is doing. Now, look at it. Let's do something. You see what the market did. They take out that liquidity, tap into this supply level. So market has been delivering to the downside. So we are expecting a kind of a retracement on gold, at least a retracement before, even though if the buy is going to continue, at least a little retracement, even though if the buy is going to continue. I'm expecting that sell from here to the downside. But I didn't see anywhere I can scale in for now. So except if the market's already open and they give me a zone where I can actually scale in, then I'll look for a way to scale in. So I think that is all I actually have my eyes on. I think that is all that I have my eyes on for now. For now. EU, the same thing. I'm expecting that big break. So if they should break a structure for me, then I'm looking to take a buy. But I'm bullish on EU and GU. If they should break a structure for me, I'm bullish. Now, JPY peers, yen peers as well. I think I have my eyes on this odd JPY. it's going to be a swing trade and a very longer one. It's going to take a lot of time before they approach here, right? If you look at we have been bullish, higher highs, higher lows. They use here to sweep a liquidity, then the liquidity that is here, boom, a break of structure. Then I'm expecting that at least they should come back to this area, this supply, then we'll look to take a buy if they should take out this low, right? So, and before then, you can start looking for more sales from here to until they take out this low before we start looking for a buy, right? And as well, if you look at it also, it's also a trend line zone, first, second, third, for those of you using trend line as a confluence. And for those of you using supply and demand, this is a strong demand area. They use to sweep this low to push to break a structural high. So anyway, I think that is all I have my eyes on for now. So I'm going to be uploading the videos so that you guys can also watch. Now let's see this GG. Let me based on what I taught you guys then. Look at GG. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You see, everything is efficient. There is no inefficiency. Now, where is the next inefficiency price action? This is it here, right? There is a gap. So now some people now they will be looking at these areas. This is the imbalance area. No. You don't look at imbalance. You look at inefficiency first before imbalance. Now look at the market, what the market did. Here, as I said earlier on that video, if you have not watched it, make sure you go back to the video and watch it. After they sweep this high, right? I told
What's
you
the
guys
title of the video, sir?
I told you that anywhere that is having.
I mean, what's the title of the video you said you should go and watch?
I'll send
You will
it
send it again. All right, thank you.
If you have a level like this, the market already have this first push, second push. If this third push and this first push does not align together and there's still space between them, know that this your third push high will always be a liquidity for you. It's going to be inducement liquidity, in which if market is coming back later, they're going to induce people there. Look at what happened. People are looking to short here, right? Now look at what happened from there. Boom, they push to the upside to feed the inefficiency. Then after the inefficiency has been filled, what happens from there? Then we see that delivery. So they can continue going down like that. So make sure, even though if it's only this, you're actually trading, you see your trade is going to change a lot. And if you're choosing POI, make sure you choose a POI that is not having an inefficiency above it or below it, right? So anyway, that is just a simple trick and everything. So gentlemen, without wasting much of our time, if you have any question now, you can
Hello, sir.
asking the question. Yeah, I'm with you. Ask a question.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm with you. Ask a question.
You said we should watch one video before starting this class. That if we not watch that video, we cannot understand this class. Please, can you please tell us the title of the video so that we can watch it on your YouTube channel, please?
Okay. I think let me check. I think please kindly mute yourself.
I think if you can also send a link, it will be better.
So any other question?
Please
if you have any other question, drop it. I'll send the title, like I'll send it to the group. You can watch it as well.
Sir.
Hello. Or if you can send a link.
Hello.
I'm with you.
I want to ask questions.
Okay. I want you to help me check GU again on the 15-minute time frame because GU, because what you explained, I didn't understand because what I'm seeing there on that GU, you said you're looking for a buy. Is it possible I take a sell because looking at the 15-minute time frame, there's an order block up there. There's an order block up there, which I feel markets will react to before going for the buy level.
This other block, right?
If you can see it on the 15-minute
this
time
one,
frame.
right? This high, right? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's sharing now. Yes, I'm seeing it now.
Okay. You mean this other block, right?
Yes, I feel maybe markets will react to
Yes,
that
that is what
place,
I'm
then
saying.
come down before
If
going.
you understand what I said just now, there's another block here, definitely. But I said
Okay.
if they should break this high, that is why I use here, that is why I use this as an example. Do you understand? I said if they
Okay.
should break
Okay.
this high, then I'll be
Yeah.
looking to take a buy.
Okay.
Exactly. So you're like,
What if they did not break it?
if they did not break it, then your sell is valid then. You understand? So
Okay.
if they should not break, like if they should react,
Okay.
like according to you now, you're
Yeah.
just expecting the sell here, right? You're expecting that sell around here.
Yes. Yeah.
That okay, you're expecting that sell if the market should approach here, then to the downside. Then if they should do that, the market can continue going down. Then I'm wrong. Definitely they are going to bust this level and continue going down. Do you understand?
Okay.
So that is why I'm waiting for that break
Yeah.
to happen, first of all, right? Then I'll be expecting to take a buy
Okay.
around here.
Mm.
And the title
Okay.
we are explaining about this is liquidity and market breakdown session. I think it was a Sunday class like this then where I actually explained it. So liquidity and market breakdown session. So you can check it.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
So any question?
Can you hear me? Yeah. I want to ask you something.
What do you say?
Hello. I want to ask you something. In one of your videos, you said something about, I think that's the algo structure or
Yeah.
something. I don't know. Okay, let me mark it out. You said if market takes out this part and then comes down and take this one, something like this. This is why I said I'm looking to sell, because I don't know. The thing is already confusing me now.
That is what
You see that market took out.
your sell is valid too. The same thing with my own buy, right? I said for my own buy to be valid
Okay.
now. Don't forget that your own sell, you are bearish already. I said for my own buy to be valid, they must
Yes.
surely take this high first to confirm. Then before I'll be looking to take a sell, take a buy here.
Okay.
Do you understand now? So
Okay.
if they did not
Okay.
break structure,
Okay.
definitely they are
Yes.
still
Yes.
bearish. Because of why they are still forming lower low,
Okay.
high.
Okay.
So if they should take out this high, I'll be looking to
Yeah.
take a buy. Based on why am I looking to take a buy? Based on the liquidity that they grab here. Do you understand? So based
Yes.
on that liquidity that they
Yes.
grabbed here, if they
Okay.
should
Yeah.
now
Yeah. Yeah.
break
Yeah.
me, if they should now break this high for me, confirm that okay, I'm looking to go long.
Okay.
Are we clear now?
Okay. I understand.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So if you look at it,
I
not that
understand.
I'm just looking for that buy. This is a high, a low, right? A high, then a low. So there's still a level here that market can, right? So that is why I'm
I don't know
but
what I go
before
tell
that
you.
buy,
You for take well before you enter this. Now waiting you want to
before
do.
that buy, until they take out this high, before I look to take a buy. So if they should take out that high, then definitely I'm not looking at anything. I'm looking for a buy.
You know the for the last anytime where you get money,
Okay.
Are we clear?
but I PMH or
Hello, Chief.
Yeah.
Asia,
Hello,
Who
Chief.
is this one now?
fucking shark. Keep
So
Hello, Chief.
yeah, I'm with you.
Sorry, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, my question is on silver. I don't know if you analyze silver.
Silver,
Yes.
I didn't analyze it for this week. What is your question there?
Okay. So markets went. I think I'm still bearish for now on silver. So markets took out one high like that. I'm not sure if that high is valid. Then
Both
there's an
silver and gold,
inefficiency price action as you have.
they are almost the same thing.
Yes. That's true. So there's still an inefficiency price action that market has not filled yet, although it has cleared liquidity. So, but the inefficiency price action is yet to be filled. That's where I have my
Okay,
sell order
that
from.
is this
So
high,
I'm
right?
looking at it if it's still valid or not.
This that they have not filled this level, right? Is that what you mean?
Yes, yes,
Now, this is it,
yes,
right?
yes.
As I always explain to my students, this level is what most people they call imbalance area, right? This is an imbalance
Okay.
area. Now, this imbalance now, the next thing that you need to look for is a liquidity zone. Liquidity, what is liquidity? Money. So the money is there if they want like money, like once liquidity has already been grabbed, then transaction can occur. So now this is liquidity. It does not necessarily mean that market must surely come and fill your imbalance. Put that at the back of your mind. So, but if the market should fill the imbalance, is an extra confirmation for us. So now the next thing, if a liquidity has been grabbed, next thing that we should be looking for on our entry time frame is price delivery. What do I mean with price delivery? Coming a lower lows, having an internal liquidity that we can use to enter. Do you understand? Because the major they've been grabbed. So once the major liquidity already been grabbed, then we are expecting a price delivery to happen. So once the price delivery have started happening on lower time frame, then definitely we can look for a way to sell. Then definitely this your order block can now wait till later on in future they can come back to it. Do you understand the concept now?
Okay.
Like for example, now
Yes,
this 15
yes, I do.
from now, I already started seeing a price delivery, lower low, lower high, low. And based on the way I normally trade, this high now will become my liquidity. Then I'll look for a way to enter around this area. They should continue forming that lower low for me of that low. Then once they top up, then I have a confirmation here. I'll look to sell. Do you understand?
Yes, I do. I
Next time
understand now.
they're coming back later on in future, after they already after we already make use of
In
it,
future.
then we can now consider taking a sell around that inefficiency
Sell.
price action area.
Price, yes, I do. I understand now.
You understand now? So that is just it, bro.
Understand. Thank you, Chief.
Yeah, no problem. Now, any other question?
Thank you, Chief.
We have less than 1 minute to go. Anyway, gentlemen, I wish you all the best and also a successful trading week. So I'm going to upload the video. In case you have any question, you can just go back to it and watch it. Bye and have a nice week.